I'm Dr. Curtis at MathCraft Math Labs. Let's go over prime factorization. In order to understand prime factorization, we have to know something about factorization. So let's consider the number 36. A factorization of 36 is any multiplication expression that evaluates to 36. For example, 1 times 36 is a factorization of 36. 2 times 18 is another factorization of 36. 2 times 2 times 9 is another factorization of 36. A prime factorization is a factorization in which all of the factors are prime. And every number has exactly one prime factorization. So how do we find it? Well, all we need to do is start with any factorization we're comfortable with, other than the trivial one of 1 times 36, and rewrite all of the factors that are not already prime into a factorization that contains primes. We repeat until we're done. So here's a factorization of 36 that we can start with. 6 times 6. Well, 6 can be factorized as 2 times 3. And 2 and 3 are prime. But we didn't have to use 6 and 6. We can just use any factorization that comes to mind, as long as it's correct. So let's try 4 and 9. Well, 4 can be factorized into 2 times 2, and 9 can be factorized into 3 times 3. And again, we have prime factorization of 36. The only difference from the last example is that we've put the factors in a different order, but that's okay. Multiplication is commutative. 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 is the same as 2 times 3 times 2 times 3. They both evaluate to 36. Well, thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time at the MathCraft Math Lab.